Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue community our life. So let's see here. Produce means to make or manufacture from raw material. To make or manufacture from raw material means sugar is manufactured by sugar cane. So service, SERVICE. Service means the action of helping or doing some work for someone. Service, the action of helping or doing some work for someone. Means some work. So somebody have to do the work for someone. If you help somebody, for example, contribute, give something specially money or help to achieve something. Contribute, CONTRIBUTE. Give something specially money or help to achieve something. Contribute. For example, if anybody came and we donate the money to build the hospital, so we contribute. So satisfy, SATISFY. Satisfy means happy or contented. Satisfy means happy or contented. Means when we get a good marks, we feel very happy. So interdependent. INTERDEPENDENT. Interdependent means dependent on each other. Interdependent means our community life is interdependent. Produce means to make or manufacture from raw materials. Service, the action of helping or doing some work for someone. Contributes, give something specially money or help to achieve something. Satisfy, happy or contented means when we get a good marks, students feel very happy. Interdependent, dependent on each other. Our community life is interdependent. So our daily needs are fulfilled in a community education and health facility for everyone can be developed in a community. So food, clothes and shelter. So food, clothes and shelter. For example, that means every child has to go to school. So if somebody is not feeling very well, they used to take the treatment in a hospital. So they had to go to the hospital to take the treatment. So goods have to be produced to satisfy needs. This is called productions. So the process of reaching those goods to the people is called service. So the production of sugarcane. So we require all kinds of good. Farmer cultivate sugarcane in their farm. Then the sugarcane is supplied to the sugar manufacture factory. So transportation service is used to carry the sugarcane from the field to the factory. जेव्हा ऊस तोडायला लागतात ते काय करतात, ऊस तोडून झाल्यावर काय करतात, ट्रकमध्ये भरून ते फॅक्टरीमध्ये नेतात कारण साखर कारखान्यात. So then the sugarcane is supplied to the sugar manufacture factory and transportation. We use a truck to load that sugarcane. So in the factory the sugarcane is a proceed in the sugar to the various chemical method by using different types of equipment of machinery. So here many people are required to carry out this process. And after this long procedure, the ready-made sugar is transported and then supplied to the traders. So the process of reaching goods to the people is called service. Many people are involved in this whole process. So production of the service are the both necessary to satisfy needs. Many people contribute to this and one person cannot produce everything, neither can he give all the service by himself. Community life is interdependent. Coming to life is interdependent. We should not depend on each other. So it is necessary to satisfy needs, and many people contribute to this. So student, read these meanings today. Write this meaning in your notebook. Read the lesson. So next I am going to continue in the next period. I hope students, are you preparing there is an online test of EVS. So lesson number 13, our diet. So from your reliable book, you read it, fill in the blank, true or false, all the question answer, and be prepared for your online test on Sunday. So best of luck for your online test paper, and I hope that all students have submit your paper. So thank you.